Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware. Charge the Barracuda X above 50% to avoid interruptions, then plug the USB wireless dongle into the Ps5 front USB port. Once done, power the headset on and hold the pairing button until the LED flashes rapidly. This forces the headset into dongle pairing mode rather than Bluetooth. Make sure the Ps5 is powered on and not asleep, because the console must recognize the USB audio device during its active boot or home screen state. Once the LED is solid, the dongle and headset are linked. Plug the dongle firmly if it wobbles. Next, on the Ps5, go to Settings, then Sound, then Microphone. Select the USB headset audio device as the input to force the Ps5 to use the Barracuda X mic. Then set input volume to 100% and output device to USB headset so both game audio and voice route through the dongle. This bypasses Bluetooth limits and provides lowest latency and full mic functionality. Finish by joining a party or voice chat and speak to confirm the Barracuda X mic registers. If you don't see input, check the headset's inline mute switch and Ps5 mic mute toggle. Sometimes the headset defaults muted after pairing. If still no sound, unplug and reinsert the dongle, then restart the Ps5 to clear device recognition. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different front USB port or a short USB extension to avoid poor contact. That fixes most no audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.